So recording now. Well, PICASA is one of the best tools, easy, very friendly tools to optimize photos, and it's free on top. So let me just open my PICASA and go to Tools Folder Manager. I will manage. So this you need to know how to target a specific site if you don't specify where are the pictures that you want to manage. So in my case, I would just look for, where is that? FTA and content and success, for instance. So when I selected the directory where the files are, I can just scan once or scan always. So this means that it will look at the video, the photos that I have in that directory. When I do OK, you will see that where are my new
Andre. Hello.
Yes. Hello.
Okay, before we, hello, Andre.
Yes, I can hear you.
Before we go to that page, I was trying to resize.
Yeah.
The middle part, and then it was telling me that resize, but don't keep a copy.
That is because you didn't check, huh? You need to check, as I said.
I checked.
Careful.
You told us to click on the third one, the middle one.
Yes. And what exactly it says? No, you don't. You unclick.
Oh.
Hello.
We unclick. We unclick.
Yes. Yeah. Just read what's written there.
You told us to click on the one in the middle, so that's what I was doing.
Okay. Now you're okay, yeah?
Unclick. Let me see. Let me try it again and I see.
Okay.
Resize picture. So I unclick it.
So for those who have already opened.
Yeah, it has worked.
Okay, congratulations. Okay, now open your PICASA. Everybody, please open your PICASA and let's work on photo editing with PICASA. Open PICASA, and at the same time, you can also open your a photo directory. I asked you to prepare 10 photos before the session. So at this moment, you should already have the 10 photos just in front of you in one directory. Do you see my screen? Do you see my PICASA screen now? Hello?
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay, so this is the PICASA screen. This is my directory where I have tons of photos, and I want to work on some of these photos. Let's say this one. The first thing I can do with PICASA is to crop it, which means I select a specific part of the photo. So I just click on crop, and the manual, I'm doing a manual crop now. So I start from the bottom up left, from the top left side, and I go down to the right side to select exactly the part of the photo I need. Then I release my mouse, and I have the selected photos there. Okay, now I can apply here or just cancel here. Again, crop, select the part that I want to crop, and then when I'm done, I can just apply. Okay, so this is the part that I want to I want to use in my website, for instance. This is one of the most important tools that you need to know with PICASA. Now, the other thing is straighten. Oops. Sometimes, so it's a bit, the angle is not good. With this functionality, you can now transform the video so that it looks in a different angle. Okay. So straighten, this is the functionality you use when you have to change the angle, the horizontal or vertical angle of this photo. When you are done, you just apply. For me, okay, let me just do like this and apply. Now, there are many other functionalities here, but maybe one of those that you have also to master is the light one. If your photo was taken in the evening or there's not enough light, you can add more light, like as if there's a lot of sun during this work, and so on. Then you can also fine-tune the lighting and color fix. You just go here, fill light, highlight, shadow, color temperature. The color temperature you can change. And so on. Now you can even become more artistic using different funny and imaginative tools here. So you can try all these functionalities. For me, I won't do too much transformation. Yeah, this is another one, or this is another one, and so on and so on. Discard the change. Also here, and so on. This is also, now it comes also with framings. So when you are done with all your transformation, When you are finished with this, you have to save your file, the new photo. How do you do that? You just go to, at the bottom here, you have export. You have export here, click on export, and you have to write the name of the exported folder and so on. But the most important is this part, resize and image quality. So resize allows you to, again, customize, compress this file. If you look here on my screen, you will have a big size file, 4 megabytes with 2,300 pixel by 2,700. That is a big, big file. You don't need that on your website. You just need 300, 400. So when you export, you just say 400. Now the quality, you don't need very high quality for your website. Yes, normal quality or automatic should help. Or you can customize, and the best is around 45%. So I just put 50 in my case. The other thing is you can put a watermark on your photo. Let's say I will put copyright Andre 2019. And now I export it. So my file is exported somewhere. If I look in the directory where I have exported, you see this is my file. Now it's with copyright Andre 2019, and the size of this file is very low, small. I look at the property, it's 34 kilobytes. 34 kilobytes instead of the 4 meg here, the original one. So that is very important to do the editing of your photo, do all the editing you want, put some text on it, retouch, and so on. Then when you're come to exporting, just exporting the size, the right size, quality. You don't need maximum quality. You need something like 50% here. This is fairly readable in your website. If you don't like the quality, you want to improve it, then you just go, you just put 60 or 70% instead of the 50 I did before. Okay, so that is another tool. The PICASA, it's an easy one, very straightforward one that you can use for photo editing. And then when you have the photo, you can just insert it in your website. Question? Let me stop the recording.